Welcome to Activity 48. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with two part bonds of 20 to find a missing part in subtraction equations. When we look at the board, you'll notice player 1 has a darker shade of blue set A and a lighter shade set B. This is the same for player 2. When we look at set A, you'll notice that the missing part is in what we would usually call the answer position. This set's slightly easier. Set B also has a missing part. Whole subtract part equals part. However, the part that is missing is in the less common position. When playing for the first time, you may want to play with just set A for each player. The second time you play with just set B, and then the third time you can play with the whole board. We're looking at section 1. You'll notice that all of the parts that we know are 2-digit parts. I'm going to demonstrate with this equation. We know the whole of 20. We place that on the top row. We know the part of 17. This makes 17. And the unknown that fits here is the part of 3. It is the same for this equation here. We know the whole of 20. We know the part of 17. And the unknown part here is the part of 3. It's helpful to think about solving this using addition. Sometimes students say to me, "But that's subtraction." And I say, yes, but subtraction is about a whole and 2 parts, so we can also use addition. I know the part of 17, and so I think, what do I add on to 17 to build the whole of 20? And it's 3. It's about part, whole. Let's begin. To complete this activity, each player needs approximately 10 counters. You can use your bomb blocks to help if you need them. The aim of the activity is to be the first player to place 3 counters consecutively, either in a column going vertically up and down, a row going horizontally across, or a diagonal in that direction or that direction. Player 1 goes first. They spin 3. So they stop and think, what joins with 3 to build 20? And the answer is 17. So I look for a part of 17, which is either here or here. And I'm going to choose this one. I say the whole equation. 20 subtract 3 equals 17. So the number on the spinner goes on the line, which was the missing number. Player 2 has their turn, and they spin 4. They stop and think, what joins with 4 to build 20? And that's a part of 16. So they look for a 16. I can see one here, and I can see one here. I'm going to choose this one. And player 2 says, 20 subtract 4 equals 16. Now it's your turn.